Hi everyone! Today we're going on an adventure to color Diddy Kong. First is number 1 for orange. Let's color in the background to make our picture look bright and sunny. Then we move to number 2 for beige. We'll use this for Diddy's face and ears. It makes him look ready for action. Now for number 3 for red. This is for Diddy's iconic hat and his shirt. Looking good! Time for number 4 for black. Let's use black for his eyes to help him see all his jungle friends. Now for number 5 for brown. We will use this for his fur. It's perfect for our little monkey friend. Let's move to number 6 for yellow. Let's add this bright yellow for some special details in his accessories. Number 7 for white. We use white for the bright areas in his eyes to give him a happy, friendly look. And we're all done. Diddy Kong looks amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Number Color Club. See you next time.